So this is a spacious living room where you get your couch setup space here. So this is our kitchen. This is your spacious and luxurious master bedroom of the... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. In today's video, I am going to show you the spacious 3 BHK sample flat of the Ambercrest project, which is located behind Shaurya Hotel, Kaspate Vasti, Wakad, Pune, developed by Chandrarang Groups. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the site, and behind me is the sales office of the project, and behind the sales office is the land parcel of the project. But before I tell you and show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly to its developers, giving you all a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. So, giving you the project's overview, the Ambercrest of Chandrarang Group will be constructed on 3.21 acre of land parcel, which will be having 3 towers, in which you will be getting 2 basements plus ground plus podium plus 30 floors, in which you will be getting 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let me tell you where the project is located at and what connectivity the location provides you with. The Ambercrest is located behind Shaurya Hotel, Kaspate Vasti, Wakad, Pune. और इसके सामने जो रोड है वो लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करती है वाकड़ भोसरी BRTS रोड से, एंड राइट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करती है औंध रावेत रोड से. इस लोकेशन की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे विच इज़ विदिन 1.4 किलोमीटर्स, वाकड़ चौक विच इज़ विदिन 1.4 किलोमीटर्स एंड डी मार्ट विच इज़ विदिन 3.7 किलोमीटर्स. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं एमिनिटीज़ के बारे में. द Ambercrest प्रोजेक्ट प्रोवाइड सच एज चिल्ड्रंस प्ले एरिया, इंडोर गेम्स, party lawn, jogging track, senior citizen sit-out area and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a spacious 3 BHK sample flat which has 1284 square feet carpet area. So, here at the entrance, you get a digital door lock on your door for security purposes, and at the entrance's lobby, you get a setup space for your shoe rack and decorative items. Now, let me show you the living room space. So this is a spacious living room where you get your couch setup space here and an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. As you can see, it is very spacious. Now let me show you where you get your TV units setup space, which is here. Now before I show you our dining space, let me show you the first bedroom of this flat as it is based on the butterfly concept. So this is our luxurious first bedroom of the flat where you get your bed setup space here, and you also get a wall-to-wall window for ventilation and natural lighting. And you get your wardrobe setup space here, and you also have an attached guest washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. Now let me show you our dining space. So this is your dining space of the flat where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the spacious kitchen of this flat. So this is our kitchen where you get 3-side granite platforms on which one side you get an attached sink, and you also get your washing machine area and utilities area, and here you get your refrigerator setup space where you can set your fridge up. Now let me show you the second bedroom of this flat. But before I show you the second bedroom, let me tell you about the common washroom that we get here, which has anti-skid tiles, designer vitrified tiles and CP center fitting. So this is the second bedroom of our flat, where you get your walking space here, you get your bed setup space, and you also get a wall-to-wall attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And here is your wardrobe setup space. Now, before I show you the third bedroom of this flat, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of a project, EMI schedules, payment schemes, and 360-degree location tour. All this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today. Now, let me show you the third bedroom of this flat. So, this is your spacious and luxurious master bedroom of the flat, where you get a lot of walking space here, and you get your bed setup space here, and a wall-to-wall attached window with it for ventilation and natural sunlight. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. You also have your attached master washroom with the bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles, and a shower glass partition. But that is not all. You also get an attached balcony to your master bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings, and is two-side cover. So everyone, this was the video of a spacious 3 BHK sample flat of the Ambercrest project located behind Shaurya Hotel, Kaspate Vasti, Wakad, Pune, developed by Chandrarang Group. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.